Hey there! Welcome back to Fix and Cruise, your go-to spot for car care and maintenance tips. Today, we're talking about something every driver needs to know: how to spot the early signs of engine trouble before it turns into a costly repair. Catching these issues early could save you thousands, so stick around till the end. Tip 1. Strange noises. Your engine should run smoothly. If you start hearing knocking, ticking, or grinding noises, that's your engine's way of screaming for help. A light tapping could mean low oil, while a loud knock might point to serious wear in your engine parts. Don't ignore strange sounds. Get them checked immediately. Tip 2. Warning lights on the dashboard. That little check engine light isn't just for decoration. Modern cars use sensors to detect problems before you can. If it comes on, don't just cover it with tape. Plug in a scan tool or visit a mechanic to diagnose the issue. Ignoring it is like ignoring chest pain. It only gets worse. Tip 3. Rough idling or stalling. An engine that shakes at idle or stalls when stopping is a big red flag. It could be clogged fuel injectors, bad spark plugs, or even a vacuum leak. Whatever the case, it's your car telling you the engine isn't firing right. Tip 4. Smoke from the exhaust. Pay attention to your exhaust. Blue smoke usually means burning oil. White smoke could mean coolant leaking into the engine, and black smoke points to too much fuel. None of these should be ignored, because they can destroy your engine fast. Tip 5. Loss of power and poor fuel economy. If your car struggles going uphill or you're visiting the gas station way too often, your engine might be losing compression, misfiring, or having fuel system issues. These are early symptoms that only get worse if you delay repairs. Tip 6. Fluid leaks. Check under your car regularly. If you see oil, coolant, or transmission fluid puddles, that's your warning sign. A few drops might not seem like a big deal, but leaks quickly lead to overheating, low oil pressure, and engine failure. Tip 7. Overheating. If your temperature gauge keeps creeping into the red, stop driving immediately. Overheating can warp your cylinder head or even crack the engine block. Always keep an eye on your cooling system: radiator, coolant, and water pump. So there you have it. 7 early warning signs your engine might be in trouble. Remember, a small problem today can turn into a massive repair tomorrow if ignored. Stay ahead of the game, take care of your car, and it'll take care of you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Fix and Cruise for more car care tips, and drop a comment below on what engine problem you've faced recently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.